Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the canvas. Pick the wall area and measure it precisely, then sketch a grid that matches your design proportions. Once done, choose 3-5 sticky note colors for contrast and order them by value. Make a small paper template of one cell so you can test spacing. Use a level and pencil marks at key points and lay out a row of notes on a table to confirm how colors read together. This saves time and prevents major rework. You should transfer the design using your grid marks and the template. Place notes row by row to keep alignment consistent. Press each note firmly, starting at one corner of the template and moving in a predictable sequence, left to right or top to bottom, to avoid gaps. Make intentional color groupings and check your work from a distance of 2-3 meters to read the pattern. If an area feels off, step back, adjust the adjacent notes, and re-establish the rhythm before continuing. You finish by securing edges and high-traffic zones with small strips of removable clear tape so corners don't peel. Once complete, scan the piece visually for misalignments and replace any notes that are wrinkled or faded. Make swaps in small groups so color balance remains. If bubbles or lifting occur, gently peel and reapply with fresh adhesive. A key troubleshooting tip: keep a photographed reference and a box of spare notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.